Hello lovelies, how are you doing today? I am amazing and I want to hear from you, so comment down below how you are doing. Secondly, it's my sister's 21st birthday this weekend and obviously you have to go all out, make it a theme, make it go big, you know what I'm saying. What she decided on was Arabian theme, which is the best theme, honestly. I think it's so gorgeous. Like, just dressing up is always just so much fun. Thirdly, the makeup look that we're doing today is this one. I'm going to show you guys how to get the look. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I want to hear from you, so do it. And I wanted to just say thank you in advance for watching the video, and yeah, tune intro.
I burn that shit like a major laser, earn that shit like major paper. I melt that beat like a fucking getter, but you know I do it fucking better. And you know I make her fucking wetter than Jaws in the water during stormy weather, than Calvin Harris, the opposing gender. Poor Gore's got your nuts, so you better get her. She on that pole like Diplo, I got a sick hoe, she likes to dip low. Like Dylan Francis likes to get low, relax on, hold low, I got a sick flow. I can make any beat just like Skrillex, I swear I can make Justin Bieber feel it. And I can make Kicked Up really wanna steal it, then I can make Scooter Braun wanna sign a deal with it.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we Will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.
I'm on so many levels like a beachy game type. I can make Dead Mouse spell his name right. Turn up my speakers like the Afrojack. You, where are you now when I need you, Jack? You, I'm all alone like a marshmallow. Haters try to block me like a remix Hello. Don't let me down like the Chainsmokers. Let's take a selfie, baby, get in closer. I'm a vet in this game, call me Tiesto. And just like Zed, working with the vessels, I'm just playing, let's be respectful. Under control like my man Alesso. I can make your girl sing Bird Machine. Yeah, DJ Snake knows what I mean. And lastly, you know I'ma steal a show like Kygo's first team Firestone.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we Will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.
Just gonna take an ankle brush now. Doesn't really matter which one you take. I'm gonna go into the Love Contours All palette. I'm gonna just mix the two shades, these two over here. I'm gonna then use those as my contour shades.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car, and 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older, no. We
look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you, I was insane.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this week's makeup look. My sister's 21st birthday is this coming weekend and I am super excited because, I mean, it's my baby sister and she's finally 21. So I'm very excited that I'm going to spend some time with the family and friends and everything, but I'm going to make sure that I film it for you. You can be a part of the experience as well. If you enjoyed this makeup look, please give it a thumbs up and then comment down below what type of makeup look you'd want to see. Also, what products you would want me to use if it's something that you want to try and that sort of thing. I don't mind going and buying it myself and trying it also. If there's anything you want me to do, try, buy, see what it does, let me know. I wanted to say about the Screaming Beauty Blender. It worked really nice. I think I just waited way too much. It was a little bit hard, but other than that, it worked. It's so soft. Like, it's very soft. So if you want to have like a really nice beauty blender, Screaming Beauty has amazing beauty blenders and I'll link their website down below so you can get your own. And they also have the silicone blenders as well. Let me show you what that looks like. The silicone blender, they also have one of these. So if you want to try it out, go do it. And yeah, let me know what you think of the product. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I really appreciate it and hope you enjoyed the look. Sending all my love to you guys. Love is everything. I'll see you next week.
That you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older, no.
Yeah guys, I just wanted to talk about my outfit real quick. Quick kitty, quick. I mean, this top is absolutely adorable. It's proper themed for Arabian Nights, theme parties and that sort of thing. And I love poofy sleeves, so this is my biggest weakness, poof sleeves. So I'm just wearing them with like these poofy pants. Can you see this right now? So yeah, poofy sleeves, poofy pants. I'm gonna add a few more accessories to this. There's gonna be like little jingles on the pants, which I'm gonna add on the day. If you wanna get your outfit like this for a certain event and that sort of thing, and you're Joburg based, then go to Jod's Costume Hire, and I will put their link down below if you guys wanna check it out. Honestly, they have so much variety. They're very helpful. They know exactly what they're doing and they keep their clothes in top-notch shape and quality. Everything's clean, everything's neat and tidy, and that's kind of how you want to find the clothes that you're gonna wear for the next event or whatever it is. There's nothing more that I can say other than come party with me